Today we're taking a look at a robot vacuum cleaner with a difference, and that's coming up right after this. So today we're taking a look at the Trifo Lucy Robot vacuum cleaner that comes with a feature that I've never seen. Before we get started though, like the video if you're a fan of robot vacuums. Let me know in the comments what you think of this feature when we get to that part of the video. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe now so you don't miss a thing in the future. So full disclosure, this video is sponsored by Trifo and they've sent me this robot vacuum for free to showcase to you guys. So here we have the Trifo Lucy. It's a robot vacuum that's going to keep your house clean as well as secure at the same time. Unlike your standard robot vacuum cleaner, it's got a 1080p camera, a time of flight depth sensor, and a vertical cavity surface emitting laser. Not only can it keep my floors clean while avoiding obstacles, but it can alert me of intruders and let me drive it around my house as a mobile camera, but we're going to go more into this feature shortly. So let's start with the unboxing. We've got some nice packaging and it's well protected, so there's no worry of anything being damaged in transit. First up, we've got the manual, safety and warranty cards. Next up, we've got the Trifo Lucy, and you can see it's a gloss black and gold design with matte black underneath. We've got the docking station, and then finally we have the power cable. So setup is nice and easy. First we need to plug in the dock to the mains, and we also have a great cable management system here on the dock where we can wrap the cable around it and make the cable the right length. Once plugged in, we remove the transport protection from the Trifo Lucy, we can place it on the dock and then download the Trifo app home from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now once we've got an account set up on Trifo Home, it takes us through the setup on screen with plenty of on-screen instructions, but it's just a case of holding down the button on the Trifo Lucy itself, and then we enter the Wi-Fi password on the app. The app then gives us a QR code, and because the Trifo Lucy has its own cameras built in, we just hold the QR code in front of the robot and it scans it to connect it to the app. Now you can call the Trifo Lucy by any name you want, and as you can see here, I've called mine Robbie the Robot. Now when it comes to using the app, it's got all of the normal features you'd expect from an automated vacuum cleaner, but it also has extra features that I've personally never seen before. To get started, you can just go ahead and press clean. The Trifo Lucy is then going to start cleaning straight away, and while it's moving around for the first time, it's also going to be utilizing both the color and the depth information from its camera, and this is going to make a 3D map of your home. You can watch the app as the vacuum goes around your house, and you'll see it creating this map on screen, and it also tells you where the robot is at all times. Thanks to Lucy's depth sensors, we also get precise object avoidance, which can detect and even define objects so it knows what it needs to avoid and what it needs to clean. You can see on my map I unintentionally left a couple of things on the floor, and it's marked the charging base, a pair of socks I left near the washing machine, and also a pair of shoes I left on the floor. I really like this feature as it then cleans around them instead of pushing them all over the floor like many of my vacuums I've had in the past. Also, if you have any small toys on the floor or obstacles around your home, it's going to avoid these instead of just trying to go over them and then getting stuck on top of them. Because it's got this camera, you can also watch the robot's view from your phone as it cleans your home. Not only can you do this in the day, but thanks to its infrared night vision, you can even do it at night when all the lights are off. With 3000 PA of suction, the Trifo Lucy does a great job at cleaning all dust and dirt from your surfaces, and thanks to its powerful suction and brush on the bottom, it doesn't matter if it's hard flooring or carpet, it does a great job at cleaning. We can also set the suction level we want inside the mobile application, and even at half suction, it's plenty power to clean your floor and have it looking clean again. If you do want full suction at all times, then it's no issue thanks to its 5200 mAh battery, and the Trifo Lucy has an average runtime of 2 hours. We have a 600 milliliter capacity in the dustbin, and it also compresses a lot of dirt inside it, meaning you don't have to be emptying it every day. Now they also sell a Lucy Pet version, and this comes with a pet hair extractor, and it's also 33% more suction power, giving it 4000 PA, so it's great for those that do have long-haired pets with hair all over their home. In terms of app functionality, we've got the map management. Now this automatically divides the map into rooms, and we can of course edit this and name each room, which is great for when you want to use voice commands through Google Home or Alexa. Once we've got the room set up, we can simply ask Google to clean, or even just clean a specific room.
Hey Google, turn on Robbie the Robot.
On the map editor, we can also set designated cleaning zones as well as no-go zones where we don't want the vacuum to ever go. In the settings, we can turn the obstacle avoidance on or off, we can change the voice settings and choose a language from the list, we can also change the robot voice's volume or even place it into a quiet mode. There's also a do not disturb mode, and this is going to stop the robot doing any scheduled cleaning task, so this could be good if you just want a day where it's not going to clean but you don't want to mess with your schedules. We can set cleaning schedules to suit our needs, and personally I just have it scheduled to clean every morning, and we can even set the cleaning mode on these schedules from quiet, normal or turbo mode. We can view the robot's cleaning history, look at the maintenance schedule and how long these parts have been used for, and there's even a Find My Robot feature if somehow you've managed to lose it. We also have motion detection, which is more of a security feature. We can have the robot detect any motion when we're out, and even automatically record and let us know if there is unwanted motion in the room. We can set schedules for this as well, so it's only on during the times we're out, and as I said at the start of the video, this is more than just a normal robot vacuum cleaner. If you need to check anything inside your house while you're out, you can simply send the Trifo Lucy to do it. If you place it in manual control mode, we get the Trifo Lucy's camera view up on the mobile screen. We can actually drive the camera around the house to investigate. We can choose from the standard camera or the night vision camera and even record all of this footage straight to our smartphone. The best thing about Trifo Lucy is that it's able to get smarter over time. We get all of the sensors included, and then we also get over-the-air updates. Rather than clean aimlessly, it uses intelligent decision making to clean effectively and efficiently. It does a great job at cleaning, and it uses all of the sensors to provide extra home security on top of a great obstacle avoidance system, and I just think overall it's a great idea. Lucy also talks before starting any tasks, so you know exactly what's going on when the robot vacuum starts to move, and I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, and I'm very happy with the functionality as well as the performance. Now, for those of you interested, I've placed a link down in the description below for the Trifo Lucy vacuum, so you can go ahead and check that out now. Of course, if there is anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, smash a thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down twice, and I'll see you guys in the next one.